Hello, my name is Miss Diediker. I am here to explain a little bit about what my classroom is going to look like this first part of trimester 1, fall 2020 for the hybrid learning. A little bit about myself. I'm a teacher. My husband's a teacher. We have 2 kids, a dog, some chickens, and some bees. We spend every possible moment outside we can. And I went to Hamlin University for my undergrad. I played basketball there, and I got my master's degree there as well. Couple things we're going to learn: perimeter, area, surface area, volume, similarity, framing, trimming, siding, roofing. We are going to try to cover all of that in a short 6 weeks. Where we are going to learn, we have my classroom in the building, room 123. We won't spend a whole lot of time there. We will actually spend a ton of time outside. As you can see, there's 2 playhouses underneath the tent, a little shed, and some right there, there is a shed that was not finished. A little bit more about that later. What we all expect: respect, responsibility, be safe, and be kind are all things that I promote in my classroom and outside of my classroom. And the big thing is to remember to dress for outside every day you come to school. Here is a little message from my co-teacher who you'll have the second trimester and third trimester.
Hey, what's up? Geometry and construction. I am your construction teacher, and this is
Miss Diediker. I'm the geometry teacher.
Yep, Miss Austin here. You can call me Missy. We're giving you kind of a virtual tour of our outdoor classroom. You are going to be outside all of 1.1 trimester. So when the pandemic hit last spring, we weren't able to finish the playhouses or the shed. As you can see, we have one that's on the floor, one that's not finished and untrimmed. So that's what you're going to be doing. Expect to be outside every day, and when you're in class, expect to be outside. You'll be working out here, and yeah, I'll hand it over to Miss Diediker.
Yep. And I'm just gonna say every day you're here, you're working on construction, and anytime you're home, you're working on math. So there'll be lessons posted every Monday.
Expectations for this class: expect to be outside. We expect a great attitude. You're going to be trying new things, and that kind of can be a bit of a challenge, but it's also really super exciting. All right? Also, work your hardest. Do the best you can. Ask any questions that you need. We're here for you, and I'm so excited to be able to post pictures of when the sheds are done.
How you can contact me. The best way to reach me is email. I check that all the time. I check it at home, at night, in the morning before I go to school. I don't encourage people to call just because I'm in more than one room during the day, and I just don't always get to that, within the 24 hours that I'd like to get back to you. So email is the best way. Things to remember this year in this uncharted territory. My biggest request is communication. So whatever's going on, communicate. Patience, one day at a time. This is something I'm constantly working on, and I am always here to support you. At the end of the day, I'm here to teach math, but I'm also here to be an advocate and an adult that cares about you. Last thing, I look forward to working with you all. Just a reminder that you will have this class all year. Even though we're splitting the trimesters, I'll have you this fall. And in the second trimester, you're going to have me and Miss A. And in the spring, you'll have me and Miss A. So looking forward to a great year. Thank you.